search at
Alam mo
all.
kasi itong mga warrant na ito ay hanap buhay ito ng pulis at ng militar at iba pang mga law enforcement
Pero ang
officers.
judge ang nagsasign.
O, tika muna.
At kung minsan,
Ang
ganito
judge ang
yan.
nagsasign.
No, you see, ha? Kung minsan darating yan sila huffing and puffing sa korte and says, Judge, nako, meron isang buong bodega na puno ng smuggled items. Bilyon ito. Ngayon, kailangan ko itong search warrant dahil sa kalahating oras lamang o sa loob lamang ng isang oras ay
Yaalis.
transfer na, ipupuslit na nila. Tatarantahin nilang judge. Ngayon, the judge must be very steady there and must insist that he must personally examine the witnesses. Sabihin mo, ikaw ba nakakita ka talaga nitong sinasabi mong ito? Oo po, judge, nakita ko sarili kong mata, puno talaga itong bodega. Mamaya babalik siya, negative ang return niya.
Wala na.
Ay, judge, wala na. Ngayon, ang nangyari dyan ay, ginamit lang niya ang warrant ng judge para
takutin.
mapagpirahan niya yung in-check. In other words, it was used for shakedown. So, the judge is not at fault there because he has complied with the legal requirements and probable cause has been established. Nonetheless, because this is a culture of corruption, the judge is required now, if he is a truly honest and conscientious public official, to go beyond the basic duties of a mere judge. So, dapat tawagin mong pulis, kamukha ng ginagawa ko noon. Sabihin ko, ikaw, pinaghanap buhay mo itong warrant ko, ha? Kanina sabi mo, eyewitness ka. Ngayon, sasabihin mo, wala na. Ay, di maliwanag na ginamit mo, kinakasangkapan mo lang ako dito. Ano ako, ginagaga mo? So, I'm going to cite you for contempt. 16 hours ka sa kulungan.